Let's crochet a body of baby bunny. Round 10. Start 6 groups of 4 single crochet stitches and an invisible decrease stitch. Remove the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 9. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 10. And use the stitch marker again, under only 2 strands of yarn. Crochet the second single crochet stitch of round 10. The third one. The fourth one. Stick our hook under the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through just the first 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, and bring the yarn through both loops on the hook. Group 1 finished. 1 single crochet stitch. 2 single crochet stitches. 3 single crochet stitches. 4 single crochet stitches. 1 invisible decrease stitch. Group 2 finished. 1 SC stitch. 2 SC stitches. 3 SC stitches. 4 SC stitches. Next 2 stitches, put the hook under the front loops. Group 3 finished. 1 SC stitch. 2 SC stitches. 3 SC stitches. 4 SC stitches. 1, 2, 1 invisible decrease stitch finished. Next stitch hole, 1 SC stitch. Next stitch hole, 2 SC stitches. Next stitch hole, 3 SC stitches. Next stitch hole, 4 SC stitches. Next 2 loops of the next 2 stitches. 1 invisible decrease stitch. Group 5 finished. Let crochet the last group. I'm round 10 of 4 single crochet stitches. And 1 invisible decrease stitch. Great! Round 10 finished. Count the number of V at the rim of the circle from the first stitch with the stitch marker, so as to ensure the number of the stitches. There are 30 stitches in round 10. From round 11 to round 13, we will crochet 30 single crochet stitches every round. Take off the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 10. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 11, the first SC stitch finished. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 11. The second SC stitch. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. The seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth one. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's crochet round 12, which is the same crochet process as round 11. So I do the acceleration. Take off the stitch marker in the first stitch. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 12. The first SC stitch finished. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 12. Now, let's crochet the second stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's crochet round 13, 30 single crochet stitches. Take off the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 12. Crochet the first single crochet stitch of round 13. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 13. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Round 13 finished.